Thanking you all my subscribers and new viewers. Here a quiz related to blasting and shot firing. Hope you will enjoy this session and I request you to provide your comment and suggestions regarding this channel. Now start this session. First question is here. Maximum burden depends on. You just have to know about burden. What we call burden. Burden means the distance of distance between a lines of hole and bench face. It will also called two lines of hole, the distance between two lines of hole, also called burden. Now there are three parameters. Which one is correct? If you have to choose one of them, or if you don't know, then listen the descriptions clearly. First option is diameter of hole, second option is strength of explosive, third option is rock factor, and all of the above is the last option. Its appropriate answer will be option D. All of the above is the correct option because burden will affected by holes dia. A strength of explosive also affect burden, मतलब कि एक्सप्लोजिव हमारा लो इंटेंसिटी का हो, हाई इंटेंसिटी का हो, हाई स्ट्रेंथ एक्सप्लोजिव है तो उसका अलग अलग बर्डन को कॉज करता है. ठीक है. If you choose rock factor, then rock factor will also affect burden. Now go through next questions. Here second question is, in case of high precision delay, which type of delay detonator used? If you required high degree precision, then you have to choose about electronic detonator. Its option will be B. Its appropriate answer will be electronic detonator. Okay. Now next question will be, Bawanski rock mass rating considered the following parameters: RQD spacing of joints, condition of joints, groundwater condition, and final parameter will be what? Then its final parameter will be uniaxial compressive strength. Bawanski rock mass rating based on various parameters, and these parameters are RQD, rock quality designation, spacing of joints, condition of joints, groundwater conditions, and final will be uniaxial compressive strength index. Okay. Then its answer will be option B. If you know its answer, then go through comment box, give your comment, and also suggest what way the test will be appropriate and convenience for learning. Now go through second questions. The rock mass rating is developed by rock mass rating and RQD. Rock mass rating is developed by, here appropriate answer will be Bawanski. Rock mass rating means RMR is developed by Bawanski, as well as RQD is developed by Dirae in 1963. Okay, you just know about this answer also. Now next question will be, a strength of detonator is dependent on a strength of detonator. If you go through the strength of detonator, then you have to know about various type of internal ingredients which is added in the or presented in a detonator. You just have to apply and know about the facts of detonators. But the questions is here, a strength of detonator dependent on, a strength of detonator is dependent on a spatially base charge. Then its answer will be option B. Now move to the next question. The primary purpose of cut holes for blasting in underground rebays is to, means the primary function that is fulfilled by cut holes for blasting in underground rebase its appropriate answer is to provide additional free face. Okay, means cut holes have two faces, two free face. Okay, and in solid blasting there are only one free face, so you just have to go through option A, provide additional free face. Now move to the next question. The question number 7 is here. Fuel for a typical slurry explosive is fuel which is used in a slurry explosive, means a slurry explosive is a mixture of ingredients in which one of the ingredients will act as a fuel. Then name this ingredient. I hope the option will be a starch. Starch will be the ingredients of fuel in a slurry explosive. Now go to the next question. Which parameter is not related to blast geometry? Blast geometry dependent on various factors, but here are few factors in which one of them is not dependent on the blast geometry. The appropriate answer would be impedance of rock. Impedance of rock will be not give any contribution. Impedance of rock don't give any contribution towards blast geometry. Okay, impedance of rock. Now go to the next question. Socket in blasting is related to one of them. Then select one of them which parameter is not related to socket. Socket means generally you have to know about when explosive is fired and some part of explosive is burnt and few part of explosive is remain unburned, मतलब कि वो अधजला रह जाता है, then that part is known as socket. Socket is then you have to select one of the option. Its appropriate option will be part of blast hole remaining after being blasted. It will be the appropriate answer, and the final answer will be final option. And questions will be final questions will be parallel holes at right angles to the face with some holes uncharged, means that holes are parallel. First one is holes are parallel. Right angle, the second condition is right angle, and third condition some holes remain uncharged. Some holes remain uncharged. This question is very important, means that holes are parallel at right angles to the face with some holes remain uncharged, are associated with which of the following short hole pattern? Its appropriate answer will be burn cut. Burn cut is a pattern in which holes are driven parallel at right angles to the face and few holes remain uncharged. Okay, so here I have completed my session. Thanks for watching this video. If you have liked and entertained about the question answer session, then you just comment and subscribe my channel to support mining support. Thank you.